me just talk about this giant zit on my face. I'm not covering it. This is me. This is real, you know? That's who I am. Feels it. Hey, what up, YouTube? I am back, and my hair has faded a lot. It is now, I don't know why, but on the camera it shows so much more color than it actually is. There's so much color gone. So I am going to dye it again today. Yeah, I got some products from Nicole's Beauty, and we are going to dye my hair neon pink and neon blue. I'm going to mix these two colors together and get another purple color. I've never tried this brand before. It's called Pulp Riot. One of the girls at Nicole's told me to buy this. And yeah, so I'm going to try this out and see if this will hold onto my hair longer. So yeah, let's experiment and see what happens. Okay, so after mixing the pink and the blue together, I got this nice purple color. So I'll be adding this color to my hair. Let's see how this goes. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh, this stuff smells incredible. Oh, it smells so yummy. Alright, so now that it's evenly applied, I had way too much dye. Not too much. Too much is good. Not having enough is terrible. Usually I don't have enough dye, and this time I had so much dye, so I lathered my head in the dye. Hopefully that will help this time. And now I'm just going to take some toner and tone up my face. Not tone up my face, I'm going to clean up my face with a toner. But yeah. I'm hoping, I'm praying that this color stays in better. I've never tried this brand before, so we're gonna give it a shot together and see how this turns out. Alrighty. So I'm gonna leave this on for 40 minutes, and then I'm going to wash out. And I got a lovely product from Nicole's. It's called the Take Home Original Olaplex, I believe it's called. It's a hair perfector. I guess it's just to rebond the hair back together after dyeing. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this product out. It was kind of pricey. It was $22, but yeah, we'll try it out together. So I'll be washing my hair with this after, and then, yeah, let's see what color it comes out. So, this is the color of my hair. It is very blue. Yeah, it came out pretty good though. For doing my hair myself, I think I do a decent job not knowing hair. So this is the color it turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah. Till next time, guys. Peace.